Hello, this is Algebra 2, Lesson 70, and this lesson covers advanced abstract equations. Alright, so this one asks us to solve for b. So, we have to isolate b from the rest of the equation. The first thing we're going to do is multiply everything by p. So we got to rainbow that. So p times 1 would be p over a. So if we just put this over 1, then it makes more sense. And that would be pm over b. So x equals. Alright, now I have to find a common denominator here between a and b. So that would be ab. Wait, first we got to write x equals. Alright, so we're going to multiply all these times ab. Okay, right here it will be abx equals, this one we've already got the a, so we would have pb, and this one we've already got the b, so we would have apm. And that gets rid of our denominator. Now we need to we're trying to get b by itself, so we're going to need to move this to the other side of the equation. Now I need to pull b out, so factor it out. So b times ax minus p equals apm. And then we just divide by ax minus p. And those cancel, so b equals apm over ax minus p. Not too hard, a lot like the ones we've been doing. You just have to distribute first. Okay, so on this one, same thing basically. First we're going to rainbow right here. Whoopsie. Put that over 1. So we get xp equals mb over 1 times 1 plus c plus, rainbow right there, ma over p. Okay, and we're trying to find c. First thing we have to do is get a common denominator, so that would be p times 1 plus c. And then we're going to multiply it here as well, plus c, and p times 1 plus c. Okay, so right here, that's over 1, so we'd end up with xp squared times 1 plus c. Here we've already got the 1 plus c, so we'd end up with m, p, and b. And then right here we've already got the p, so we'd have ma times 1 plus c. Okay, now I'm going to rainbow these. xp squared plus xp squared c ma plus mac. Okay, now I need to try to isolate all my c's on one side of the equation. So if I get rid of this, okay, that'll get rid of that one, and then I need to move this mac over to here to get all my c's on the same side. So I've got xp squared c minus mac equals mpb plus ma minus xp squared. Now I can pull my c out of this by factoring, so I've got c times xp squared minus ma equals mpb plus ma minus xp squared, and then I'm just going to divide by that, so xp squared minus ma, those cancel, and so then I have my answer, c equals mpb plus ma minus xp squared over xp squared minus ma. And there's the answer. So basically, you're just moving the equation around. Go ahead and do the practice problem. There's only one, and then I'll work it for you. All right, so hopefully you pause the video and work that practice problem. All right, so first we're going to distribute. So we're going to have mx equals pz over x plus k. Remember, we don't change the bottom because that's over 1. 1 times that. 1 times x plus k still just equals x plus k. All right, and then we're going to rainbow right here. 2ps over y. All right, now I'm trying to find k. First I have to get a common denominator, so that would be y times x plus k. Now I could go ahead and rainbow that before I do the common denominator, so I'd have xy plus ky. I think I'll do it this way. Y times x plus k there, and here I'm going to do y. Wrote that wrong. Fix that. Y times x plus k. And right here I'm going to multiply times y, x plus k. Okay, so on this one I can't cancel anything because that's over 1. Okay, so I've got y times x plus k times mx. Okay, y mx times x plus k equals, here I can cancel my x plus k, so I'd have p z y, and here I can cancel my y's, so I have 2 p s times x plus k. Now I'm going to rainbow. myx times x would be mx squared y plus mxy times k, x, y, k, p, z, y plus, here I'm going to rainbow, 2 p s x plus 2 p s k. Okay, so now I've gotten rid of my denominator, and now I have to move all of my k's to the same side of the equal sign. So I've got a k here, and I've also got one there, so I need to get rid of this. And then I need to move this one. Alright, so now I have mxy k minus 2psk equals pzy plus 2psx. Those canceled, so minus mx squared y. Alright, now I have to factor out my k. So k times mxy minus 2ps equals pzy plus 2psx minus mx squared y. And now I just divide by mxy minus 2ps on both sides. These cancel, and there's my answer. So when I write the answer, it's going to look like this. K equals PZY plus 2PSX minus MX squared Y over MXY minus 2PS. And that is the answer to the practice problem. All right, and there was only one, so that is it for lesson 70. Thanks for watching.